Hello everyone, this is Risha George and this is my second database experiment that is about DML commands. So here we are going to talk about the DML commands such as select, insert, update, delete, and we will see that we have to create a table deposit with the following specifications, like the attributes are act, number, cname, bname, amount, a date, and the data types are varchar and date and number. So here you can see that I have created the table already. Actually, uh, the command for that. So yeah, so here is it. Create table deposit, act, account number, the data type that is varchar, number of values is 5, c name varchar, b name, and the amount and date. So here's a screenshot for that. Then we have created another table called branch, like here it is, branch with the attributes bname and city, and you can see the data types are of varchar and the values are 18 or anything you can provide. Then we have the another table customer with name, cname, and city with data type varchar, and then the last table with the name borrow and the attributes such as loan number, cname, bname, and the amount with the data type varchar 5, varchar 18, and number 8 comma 2. So these four tables have been created, and now you can see that we have to insert some values in the table. So I have inserted the values here, like insert the value into deposit, like the first one is anil 101. Like what we provide is we write insert into which table, that is a deposit table, then the values that we have to insert. And so here it is 101, that is account number, and whenever we provide string like for the name, bname, we give codes in we provide code for those strings like anil, vrc, as you can see here. Then the amount 1000, and date also comes under the string values, so we provide code. Then we have the other values such as uh, Sunil and his following attributes. So like this we have added all the values in this. So you can see all the values: promote, mg road, here 3000, 27 March, and then a screenshot have been taken. Like that only we have taken for the branch also. We have taken the branch values, like you can see, and into branch. Then this command, like we inserted for all the four tables like this, for the customer, for the branch, then the borrow table. Now we'll try to look inside, we'll try to display all the details inside the table. So we'll just write select star from deposit, the table name, and select star for displaying all the details. So you can see all the details have been displayed accordingly, like act number, cname, bname. What's the cname? That is Anil, Sunil, and all the names, that is first name, then the last name like bname, vrc, ajni, and all those things. And then the a date, like same we can provide like from deposit, then from borrow, and other tables also, like the details of the borrow table. Like then if you want to see some specific details from any table, like here we can see, like here it is a select act name amount from deposit, so it just shows the account number and the amount from the table deposit. Or we can just go for this one, like select c name from deposit. So you can see here, you just write the what attribute you want to see. So we have to see c name from deposit, so you can see Anil, Sunil, and all those names that are provided in the table. Like then these are the list of names from the branch, like select b name from branch, and we can do the same, like some specific one. As you can see here, we have to display the name of customer living in the city of Nagpur. So in that case we just have to give like the select cname from the table that we need to find out, that is customer, and what is a condition, like where is used for that, where city is equals to inside quotes Nagpur. So just see that okay, the name is wrong here. It's not can me, it's C name. So you can see here is showing only one name, that is Madhuri, and she only belongs from Nagpur, from the customer table. So same for other queries also, like display the name of customer having amount greater than 4,000. So we'll use the same attribute where, like queries is for the conditions, like where amount is equals to 4,000, and then we can use like account date of customer Anil. Like then we can select a date from deposit where C name is equals to Anil, and it will show the date of him. Like you can write this one, select a date, select a date from the table which we want to find, deposit, and then where the condition C name uh, is equals to the quotes, and then the quotes have been closed. So you can see here the display has been shown like a date 1 March 95. Same like the branches can be shown, and the which are located in the city of Bombay, like we did for that Nagpur case here. So here it will show the name of branches located in Bombay. Here it will show the depositors having account at VRCE. So just we have to give select C name from deposit where B name is equals to VRCE. And for Delhi also, like it is just showing where we can use the select. It will show all the details, and then we will put any condition like using where at a keyword where, and then a date or anything like we want to specifically find or see from that table. We can use that where, and then apply that condition if the amount is greater than this, or if the place belongs to this, like here update yeah. So these are all for displaying. Now we will try to update some values, like here it is give 10% interest to all depositors. So we'll just use update deposit, set amount is equals to amount 1 into 1 point amount into 1.10. So that for 10% detail. uh, then if you want to give for that VRC branch, you can use this update deposit, set amount is equals to amount into 1.10, where B name is equals to VRC. And we can use all those update commands also, like we'll go for this one, update one. Yeah, so here we have to update branch. We'll set city is equals to Nagpur, city, set city is equals to Nagpur, and then we can give where the condition B name is equals to DRC. Then we'll end that. So actually we didn't update it in the previous case, here this one, so we cannot see, that's why it is showing zero rows updated. Actually we didn't update it here, so that's why we have to first add the 10%, then only we can change the living city, like this one can be executed. So then we have update the deposit of Versi branch to 1000 and change the branch as Versi Ambasari, like we'll change that using that update condition, same condition. like we can delete customers from Bombay city, anything. And we can also find like whose name ends with the letter L, like by select star from customer detail, whose C name is like Excel, percentage L, sorry. So we'll just write this one out. Select star from customer where C name, where I put again wrong. So it's C name like, and then undercodes percentile is an attribute for like starts with L. Then so you can see here it's Anil, Sunil, and Mehul, like whose C name like L that ends with L, letter L. So next we have the TCL commands. So here we have to show like it's for transaction control languages, which deals with the transaction within the database. So we'll try to find out. We'll try to show some of the examples. Like here we have to insert values into branch table. So we'll just show insert into branch value the attributes like Dharampet and Nagpur. I already did that. And then there's create a save point A. So save point is basically where you can save all those things which you have created, all those values, and you can assign to like save point have been created now. uh, so all your work that you have done until this save point will be saved. So the next command is again insertion. I did it, so there's no point in showing back. So rollback is a command like to go back to the changes where you did your save point, like before that save point. So you use rollback. It's actually together, rollback to save point A. So rollback completed. You can see we just reached again, came back to where it was saved before. And the last one is like commit transactions. So commit is basically used for uh, showing like uh, permanent changes. You cannot roll back once the changes have been made, like you cannot go back. So it is for commit, like just commit and it will completely permanently save, so you cannot go back now. Again, if you put a roll back to A, roll back to A, so you can see that save point A never established in this session or is invalid. So that was all. Thank you.